Okay, so in the last video, we looked at monitoring your posts. Okay, the other thing you can do with posts is you can track who's actually engaged with those posts. Um, so you can set some information. Note one, note two. Okay, set that, and then let's have a look. I mean, you can set them all. But there you go. There's a couple of people tracked. There we go. Where's my sheet? There we go. Right, so that's added them. Okay, so it's put them into the prospects list. Okay, it writes them to the people, so it writes the notes that I've got. The wrote that they're engaging, and it's actually taken a copy of the post that they engaged with. What that allows us to do is, against that post that was tracking, it can show who it was that engaged with that post. Okay, so you can build up a picture of who's engaging, who engaged with posts, which allows you to then jump into Messenger and say, hey, thanks for engaging with my post about XYZ. What did you find interesting about it? And take the conversation further. So it just allows you to have a better idea of what's actually going on, who is connecting with you, and then allow you to further that connection. Okay, thank you.